This is Microsoft PowerPoint 2016, adding tables to slides, lesson 5. The objectives for this lesson are create new tables, import a table, insert and delete table rows and columns, apply table styles. Let's go ahead and start with the creating tables section. When you want to organize complex data on a slide, use a table. A table is a grid into which you can type text in individual cells at the intersection of each column and row. Table's column and row structure makes data easy to understand. So let's go ahead and get started with insert a table. So if you haven't yet, open up ATM's presentation from your data file and save it as ATM's final. Click below slide 4 in the left pane and hit enter. So I've clicked down here before it, and I'm going to hit enter, and it automatically enters a new slide. On the new slide, click in the title placeholder and type the slide title, Proposed ATM Locations. Click the Insert Table icon. So right here we have, there's 6 icons in the middle, and the first was Insert Table, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. A little dialog box pops up, and we want to make it 3. Number of columns is going to be 3, so I'm just going to lower that a couple. And number of rows, we're going to leave as 6. And hit OK. Type the following information in the table cells, pressing Tab to move from cell to cell. Your table should look like figure 5.3 when you are complete. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so in our first row, we need to put location, tab, site study, complete, and nearest, competing, ATM, and okay. That's what it should look like. Insert a new slide with the title and content layout at the end of the presentation and click to display the new slide. So go to Insert, Table and Content, Title and Content for right there. So I'm inserting another. Okay. On the Insert tab, click Table to produce a table menu. So here they're showing you a different way to insert a table. So we're going to go to the Insert tab and Table. and go ahead and make it a 5 by 5. There we go. And then release the mouse button to create the table. Delete the new slide on which you just recreated the table. That was just showing you how there is another way to insert a table. Okay, drawing a table. So go, again, insert a new slide at the end of the presentation. So I'm going to click at the bottom and hit enter. On the insert tab, click table to open the table menu, and then click draw table. So table, and we're going to draw a table. Now we have a little mouse pointer going on here. Click and drag the mouse pointer to draw a frame approximately 3 inches high and the same width as the slide's title placeholder box. So basically the same width here. We want it about 3 inches high, so right like that. When you release the mouse button, the new table appears, which has only one big cell, and the Table Tools Design tab is displayed. So here's my display. On the Tables Tool Design tab, click Draw Table in the Draw Borders command. So here's Draw Borders. We're going to draw a table. Click and drag a horizontal line that divides the table horizontally. So right here, I'm going to let me redo that. Okay, we're going to also draw a vertical line. Drag another vertical line that divides the lower right cell into the table vertically. We should be just getting lines rather than boxes. So let me get in here and try this again. Okay, it works. Don't completely go to the edge. Just start a little bit. So I'm just starting a little bit below and automatically fills in. Okay, drag a vertical line through the middle of the table to divide it vertically. Now we're going to draw another vertical line that divides only the lower right cell of the table vertically. So like that. And then another one that divides it horizontally. There we go. Press Escape to turn off your pencil. Type the text as shows in Figure 5.6 into the slide's placeholders. So division, name, Eastern, Claude, Simpson, Mary, and Bailey. So by drawing it your own, you can you don't have to create even boxes or rows and columns. You can switch it up a little bit. Go ahead and save the presentation, and that's the end of this section.